Reporter in the field, WCBY News. I'm here with our lead anchor, Zach Butler, and our weatherman, Caleb Butler. And we are, I know with the sky outside, you know, the cloud cover is pretty heavy. It's because we're tracking a major storm. Supposedly there is a tornado that is an F5 tornado that is looking to touch down in this area, and we want to get first-hand coverage of it. So let's sit back and enjoy the ride, guys, as we go into the Mother Nature's house, the finger of God. Thank you, Caleb. All right, we're slowing it down a little bit because we're approaching where the Doppler radar says that the tornado is located. So hold on to your seats. It's getting some heavy rain. We're getting some heavy rain. Zero visibility.
No, we shouldn't have done this.
Zero visibility. Zero visibility. I don't know what just happened. I don't know how we made it through that. Are you guys alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You guys okay? Oh my gosh. Well, reporting, WCBY, the tornado did touch down. We made contact, and well, we'll let the footage speak for itself. I'm Toby Manolis, and with me for the WCBY News team, saying thank God, help us all.
Amen.